Hi guys, a few months ago I posted a video up here of our house before we started renovations. It was back in September, I believe. Right now it's April. We are 1 month into self-isolation. We're going crazy. We're about halfway through all of the renovations that we've planned for ourselves. And it's not looking very optimistic right now. We are currently redoing our kitchen. So the house is a mess, as you can see in the background there. I was going to show you our kitchen renovations before and after, but because I have no idea when it's actually going to be done, and I'm so excited about showing you our kitchen or like where we are at right now, I decided I'm going to share it with you, like where we're at in this very moment in our process of renovating our house. So let's go into it. So we used to have absolutely wild railings around here, and back in September we did a big reno, which is also about 90% done. We didn't cover it with the lacquer. Do you like my kids' drawings there on the door? So it looks beautiful, but we need to actually finish it up because my children tend to do this kind of stuff. So it's good it wasn't lacquered yet. We can still sand it and clear it up. And yeah, this is what our entryway is going to look like. This is what our living room looks like right now, covered in all of this, because we're only halfway through our kitchen. So our contractor who's working on our kitchen right now needs to leave his stuff somewhere, and it's our living room now. Luckily, downstairs down there we have a fully finished basement. That's where we basically live right now. That's where our living room is, where our dining room is, and we have a second kitchen, which isn't great, and you can see it in the previous video, but it's usable and we use it. I really don't want to show you the kitchen just yet because it's not finished, but this is the current state. The main reason why it's not being finished is because Ikea is holding things up. So about a month ago, my husband and I went to Ikea, picked everything we wanted for our kitchen. We have made a decision to have an Ikea kitchen because right now they offer 25 years warranty, which is pretty good. So if it falls apart, it falls apart, and we can go back and exchange bits and pieces. And it looks just exactly what I was looking for. All the cabinets look perfect, all the handles look great. So we were very excited. We ordered everything. We picked about 90% of what we needed up on that same day, and they said that they were still missing a few things, and we were going to receive an email from them saying it's all arrived about 10 days after our initial pickup. As we were waiting, our contractor was putting things together, and he realized that a lot of the things were either the wrong size or the wrong setup or simply missing. So we wanted to go back to Ikea and exchange things, which wouldn't be a problem. But the day we realized it, all Ikeas across Canada closed. Like closed. No click and collect, shops are closed. They were only doing online deliveries. But we paid for everything already, so what we were going to do? I contacted Ikea's customer service chat kind of thing, and they were like, if it's in store already waiting for you, you're gonna have to wait until all the stores reopen. And when is that gonna be? July? September? How long are we gonna wait with half the kitchen? After chatting with my husband and our contractor, I decided to email them. They were pretty helpful. They said send us the list of things that are missing and we can look into what we can do. I'm still waiting, so I can appreciate that they're extremely busy, but also there's such a big company, so I think they should be able to do something for us. I don't know how that would work, but I am hoping something could happen maybe next week or the week after. Maybe they could deliver it to the store and we can go and pick it up, or at this point I'm even willing to pay extra for deliveries. I don't know. What do you guys think we could do? Because the smaller companies that we are working with for the kitchen setup. As everything was closing, they were still so accommodating. They still delivered all the appliances that we ordered and paid for. They still even ordered the countertops, even though they initially said that they probably wouldn't be able to. It was incredible. So our kitchen is kind of ready to be used, almost. We're just waiting for the tile to be finished, and I gave you a sneak peek of the tile. It looks so cute. It's not done yet. So as soon as the tile is set up, the electricity is all connected, the water is connected. So we have our dishwasher ready and working. We have all the sinks and taps working and set up. We are ready to move into our kitchen. But there are a few things that are still missing. Most of them are from Ikea, and one thing is actually from Wafer. I'll show you. A few weeks ago, I ordered some lights from Wafer, from their website, to put above our kitchen island. That situation is actually still drying, so there won't be any stains, hopefully. We ordered 3 lights in black. We waited 2 weeks, and we got 1 light in white. That was so weird. I contacted Wafer immediately. I was like, oh, what's going on here? And they reordered everything, and we have to wait additional 2 weeks. I am not extremely happy, but I have to say that the customer service was very, very helpful, and I'm hoping the second time around we'll get the right lights and we'll have that all sorted. I forgot to show you this, our current view in our living room. So this is basically our dining room. That's where our table will be with chairs. This is our old kitchen island. This is our old cooking stove and oven. It's still here. I don't know what to do with it. We'll probably sell it, but who's gonna buy it? I don't know. And it takes so much space, so we're gonna have to take it out at some point. We used to have a wall just right here separating the kitchen and the living room, and that made the living room so dark. So now our living room looks so much brighter, and we don't have any separation. We can look into the kitchen right from the living room and the dining room. I am obsessed with this tile, although right now it looks a bit dark around the edges. That's because it hasn't been finished yet. We're gonna put white grout around it. Right now I think it's a bit attention grabbing, a little bit too much for my liking. But yeah, as you can see, it's not finished yet. As soon as it's finished, we'll be able to start cooking here. We haven't even taken the plastics off the appliances yet, but super excited. We're gonna have a microwave and the oven all together right here in the wall. So nice. And this is Ollie's prized possession, an induction cooktop. He's so excited about it. It looks pretty cool. So yeah, this is our kitchen. The sneak peek right there. It looks so bright. I'm so obsessed. We haven't compromised on anything, and I'm just so excited to be able to kind of move in here and cook here and spend some time with our family here, and maybe even, I don't know, start some cooking videos, because it looks so pretty. I'm gonna have to start posting some cooking videos from here. I have a friend, if you follow me on Instagram, he's like professional French pastry chef. I'm gonna get him into this kitchen and we'll bake something together. Super excited for this kitchen to, you know, be ready, be finished. We'll see what Ikea can do for us, and if they can do anything, then hopefully we'll have our kitchen ready. I'm hoping maybe in a month. Otherwise we'll have to wait until the self-isolation and quarantine is over, which can take a couple of months. But as soon as the tile is finished, which will be beginning of next week, we'll be moving in here. I don't care that we're missing some of the cupboards and the doors. We're moving in here. We'll start cooking here, and we'll start living back here in our actual living space. I do like our basement. It's nice and bright, if you've seen it in this video again, but you know, this is our main area. This is the brightest area. This is where I enjoy spending time the most. So yeah, this is about it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I know it's not finished, and I know I haven't really shown you the kitchen just yet, but if you have any questions where we got certain things, let me know in the comments and I'll try to answer them all. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you all again next time.